What's up, everybody? Welcome to the video. So, I'm at the show. Hopefully it's stopped raining now, so now I can go around and record some cars and this and that. But man, it was raining the whole way here. It was just nasty. Now, let's show some cars. Subaru, tight. Nice Toyota Tundra. I heard it's got like a killer sound system in this thing. Oh, that is nice. Love me some S10s. Only because I've had a couple. Nice Astro van. Be like, I need one of these. I think this is like the best truck here. And here's the trophies. Someday I'll own me one of these. Love these trophies. They're so badass.
There's shavings coming out because it's so off that
of course, you know, anybody that follows this stuff, Jason Thorbeck's truck. International Dodge Cummins motor. Beyond awesome. Never know. I like the tilt bed. It's kind of tight.
We're not. We're walking.
Newer Suburban.
We're stealing kids.
There's a couple judges coming around.
Suicide door on one side, regular door on the other. Okay, a little different. Like seafoam green. So, yeah. Now that the weather's clear.
That Suburban, just so we can go look at the actual bag.
Yeah. Nice Z. Yeah, if I had the money, I'd buy me a Z. Yeah, because I never have enough cars.
We've done it with Jeeps and stuff. I was going to say, it was pretty cool. Now we're down to 4.
wouldn't mind that. No, you should.
Yeah, a Slam Jeep Cherokee. Okay.
Good, yeah. If you're doing that, you might as well go and get the next inch and a half out of it. I know. What's up?
Amanda's fine with his size. You know how small he is.
It might just be an inch. I ain't never know.
There's a pickup truck version of my Suburban, which is kind of nice. It's super long. God, got more money in wheels than I got in my whole truck probably. Oh, that's nice. Right-hand drive too. That's clean.
I like the color.
His car's open. Going in there. His car's open.
Oh no.
Is that a Toyota 4Runner? And look, there's a turbo down there. Hell yeah.
I'll get you fucked up one. Chicken's big.
Ain't nothing I hate worse than with feet.
Nice K5. And this truck's got a 1J. Hey look, last but not least.